Hey adventurers! Have you ever seen a butterfly flutter by? What beautiful colors it had! Butterflies and their cousins, the moths, are like tiny flying rainbows. They make our world more colorful and exciting. Let's learn more about these amazing creatures. Butterflies and moths are truly magical. Get ready for an adventure as we explore the world of butterflies and moths. Welcome to our Butterfly Species Spotlight. In this segment, we'll feature a few specific butterfly species, each with its unique characteristics, behaviors, and habitats. First up, the monarch butterfly. Known for its striking orange and black wings, the monarch is famous for its incredible migration journey, traveling thousands of miles from North America to central Mexico. These butterflies rely on milkweed plants for laying their eggs, as the caterpillars feed exclusively on these plants. Next, let's talk about the blue morpho. Found in the rainforests of Central and South America, the blue morpho is one of the largest butterflies, with a wingspan of up to 6 inches. Its iridescent blue wings are a stunning display, but when closed, they reveal brown camouflaged undersides that help it blend into the forest environment. The painted lady is another fascinating species. This butterfly is one of the most widespread in the world, found on every continent except Antarctica. Painted ladies are known for their rapid and strong flight, and they can be seen in a variety of habitats, from gardens to deserts. Lastly, we have the swallowtail butterfly. With their distinctive tail-like extensions on the hind wings, swallowtails are easy to identify. These butterflies are found in various regions across the globe and are often seen fluttering around flowers, feeding on nectar. Each of these butterfly species plays a vital role in their ecosystems, contributing to pollination and biodiversity. By learning more about them, we can better appreciate the beauty and importance of these delicate creatures. Butterflies and moths are insects, just like ants and beetles. They have 6 legs, 3 body parts, a head, a thorax, and an abdomen, and 2 antennae. But what makes them extra special? Their wings! These wings are covered in tiny scales that create beautiful patterns and colors. When sunlight hits these scales, it creates a dazzling display of shimmering colors. That's why butterflies and moths seem to sparkle and shine. Butterflies often feed on nectar from flowers, using their long proboscis. Moths, on the other hand, are usually nocturnal and are attracted to light. Can you tell a butterfly from a moth? There are some easy tricks. Butterflies are usually colorful and fly during the day. They rest with their wings folded together above their backs, like closing a book. Moths are often duller colors and fly at night. They rest with their wings spread out to the sides, like opening a book. But remember, there are always exceptions. Some moths are brightly colored, and some butterflies fly at night. Look at their antennae. Butterflies have clubbed antennae. Moths have feathery or comb-like antennae. Butterflies and moths go through an amazing transformation called metamorphosis. It's like magic. It all starts with a tiny egg laid on a leaf or stem. From the egg, a hungry caterpillar hatches. It munches on leaves and grows bigger and bigger. When it's time, the caterpillar forms a chrysalis for butterflies or a cocoon for moths. Inside, it changes into its adult form. Finally, a beautiful butterfly or moth emerges, ready to fly. Their wings are now vibrant and colorful, perfect for their new life. Butterflies and moths have special ways of finding each other. Some use their bright colors to attract mates. Others release scents into the air. Butterflies and moths love to sip on sweet nectar from flowers. They use their long tongues, called proboscises, like straws to drink the nectar. As they move from flower to flower, they also carry pollen on their legs. This pollen helps other flowers make seeds, which grow into new plants. Butterflies and moths also feed on rotting fruit, tree sap, and even animal dung. So, butterflies and moths are important helpers in nature. Did you know? Some butterflies can taste with their feet. They can also see many more colors than we can. Moths use the moon and stars to navigate at night. And some moths don't even eat as adults. They rely on the energy they stored as caterpillars. Amazing, right? Butterflies are not only beautiful but also scientifically fascinating. The colors and patterns on their wings are more than just eye-catching. They play crucial roles in their survival and reproductive success. These patterns can serve as camouflage, helping butterflies blend into their surroundings and avoid predators. Others use bright, bold colors to signal that they are toxic or unpalatable, a strategy known as aposematism. Some species even have ultraviolet patterns invisible to the human eye, but clear to other butterflies, adding another layer of complexity to their communication. So next time you see a butterfly flutter by, remember there's a whole world of science and survival in those colorful wings. Butterflies have captivated people worldwide, symbolizing transformation, hope, and the soul. In ancient Greek mythology, the word psyche means both butterfly and soul. In Japanese culture, butterflies are seen as the embodiment of a person's soul, whether they are living, dying, or dead. A pair of butterflies dancing around each other is a symbol of marital happiness. Butterflies also appear in literature and art as symbols of beauty and ephemerality. From ancient Chinese poetry to modern novels, their fleeting presence reminds us of the transient nature of life and beauty. So next time you see a butterfly, remember that it carries with it centuries of symbolism and stories from around the world. Butterflies are not just delicate beauties. Some of them are also incredible travelers. One of the most fascinating phenomena in the natural world is butterfly migration. Among the many species that migrate, the monarch butterfly stands out for its remarkable journey. Every year, millions of monarch butterflies embark on an epic migration that spans thousands of miles. Starting from Canada and the northern United States, these butterflies travel all the way to central Mexico to escape the harsh winter. This journey can cover up to 3,000 miles, an astounding feat for such fragile creatures. But how do they do it? Monarch butterflies use a combination of environmental cues and an innate sense of direction. They rely on the position of the sun, the Earth's magnetic field, and the landscape to find their way. Along the route, they stop to rest and refuel, feeding on nectar from flowers. What will really amaze you is that the butterflies that arrive in Mexico aren't the same ones that left Canada. That's right! It takes many generations of butterflies to complete the journey. Each new group continues the adventure until they finally reach Mexico. Isn't that just mind-blowing? The butterflies that overwinter in Mexico will start the journey back north, laying eggs along the way. Their offspring will continue the journey, and it may take 3 to 4 generations before the cycle begins anew. This incredible migration is not just a marvel of nature, but also a critical part of the monarch's life cycle. So when you spot a monarch butterfly, remember its remarkable journey and the breathtaking wonders of nature it represents. Wow, that was an amazing journey in the magical butterflies world. Let's keep exploring, learning, and protecting our fluttery friends.